Yo, what is up, Jamaica? Give me here with another reaction. Yo, when I did it, there, when I miss me, talk the truth, don't miss me. When I miss me, I miss me. Yeah. So today we're here with Rimzy. Big up myself, Rimzy. Big up myself, my G. Big up myself, my bro. Unruly. Yo, that song you drop. I'm say yo, can't wait no longer. I just tweet you now. I'm ready now. I'm ready. So I'm fully back. When I'm on vacation, I'm fully energized now. Ready again. Pump out these reactions. So let's jump straight to it and see what the G have to say. Once again, big up Rimzy and the team. You know? The sun on my face, but alright, still. That's alright. Let's go. I'm ready too. I'm ready. I'm blood clot. Alright, ready now, though. Ready now. There we go. Alright, let's go. So, that one here, I break it down. So, I go pause a lot. Because you don't know, I have to do that.
Yo!
Big up, Ramael, big up yourself, G.
Pray days change. Rolly plain Jane ever done 2 boons in the same fucking day.
This is rap. This is fucking real rap. This is real rap, dog. Like, Rimzy. Yo,
Pray days change. Rolly plain Jane ever done 2 boons in the same fucking day. Yeah, I got grabbed and really slapped them toys. But never could I sing like the Backstreet Boys.
Yeah, I got grabbed and really slapped them ties. So is he referring back to this, to the time when time and slap it off of the police? Know yourself. Suck your mother. That is it, man. Is he referring to that? You know what I'm saying? He knock it off of the police. You know? If you don't know Rimzy history, go and go check it out, man. Suck your mother, man, and roll it thing, man. Brrr. That is it now.
Hey, yeah, I got grabbed and really slapped them toys. But never could I sing like the Backstreet Boys.
Man say, yo. Him get grab him could slap them ties, but him could have never sing like the Backstreet Boys. What makes me? You understand me? I react silent. Him could have never sing like the Backstreet Boys. Cause what I mean this is there are some people we get hold by police and going to go sing them leak. Them leaking like a bus jug. They are leaking.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
They might get police information all the way police to ask for. That is some kind of problem. We're not idiot. Rimzy Chuchi.
Yeah, I got grabbed and really slapped them toys. But never could I sing like the Backstreet Boys. Shoot a nigga like a cell, field ends up with bells. Go home and cut my hair and my nails. In the woods I want trying to make pencils with my Jenna fuck Kendall. Niggas can't fuck in my credentials.
You can't fuck with them credential, dog. You can't fuck with them credential, brother. The man You don't know who Rimzy be? Eh? You don't know how the man be? Eh? The man think the normal boy, yeah, brother. Some of them don't feel like some little normal rapper, this man. Yo! The man sing about it, the man did it, man, I do it. What the black cat do now? That is it now.
I want trying to make pencils with my Jenna fuck Kendall. Niggas can't fuck in my credentials.
No.
New strizzies them. Drop mashes on Achilles them. Crocodile teeth. Skilly bang.
Them don't grimy. Next thing on the number like me. Everything get fuck when I reach. That but a pumpkin. Yo, big up Skilly. Let's hear about that again.
Trying to make pencils with my Jenna fuck Kendall. Niggas can't fuck in my credentials. New strizzies them. Drop mashes on Achilles them. Crocodile teeth. Skilly bang.
I say him drop matches on the kill them, so you don't know. So once him kill them round him have to have him ting them lock. So you don't know him have to have him on him killing them, so you don't say him have to protect him head back. You know I think God. That is it now. Yes man. Let's go man.
New strizzies them. Drop mashes on Achilles them. Crocodile teeth. Skilly bang. Special ting. Ain't too red, it ain't stepping. The niggas ain't rude, they just pretending.
Hey. Unreal. You never stop pretend. Unreal. Made in China Gucci. Made in China Gucci. Yeah. Yeah. You fake like a stripper eyelash. No found unreal. Unless I sing. I don't know about this life.
Strizzy's them, drop mashes on Achilles them, crocodile teeth, skinny bang. Best thing, ain't too res, it ain't stepping. Them niggas ain't rude, they just pretending. Remember I got my man, was just a phone call. Even then he done them civvies, it was a close call. See me in the Benz, double C's on the crep. But you'll never ever see me on no fame. When it comes to glides, I'm in a top form. Had to be in Dodge corn, you know we unruly like popcorn.
Yow! Representing.
I'm in a top form. Had to be in Dodge corn, you know we unruly like popcorn. From what doors to fucking bitches on top floors. Now they bring me champ to the shop floor. Guys, I'm in a.
But I mean from this to up there, so I'm a fuck guy from the top floor. But here I know. Then bring him champagne on the shop floor. That means say when the G go in one shop to buy anything, the whole shop shut down. Appointment book, the whole shop shut down. Rimsey is forwarding now. General manager, CEO, bringing out what? Champagne. Champagne! That is it now. Champagne are forward out for the G. Because you don't know the man are going to one shop and talk about, yo, more on this. Me never want to know the price. Just give me that. Come and do it. That is it now.
The fucking bitches on top floors. Now they bring me champ to the shop floor. Guys, I'm in a top form. Had to be in Dodge corn, you know we unruly like popcorn. From what doors to fucking bitches on top floors. Now they bring me champ to the shop floor. I know why they hate the done. Spilling in St. Laurent 150 when I put the AP on.
That's why them hate my friend. That is why them hate now. That is it now.
Hate the done. Spilling in St. Laurent 150 when I put the AP on. Do the maths, drinking tea in the Fendi cap. See you at the top, my nigga Fredo bang. Chicks when
I'm gonna drink tea in the Fendi cap. Yo, Rimsey in a one lane by himself, bro. Like, Rimsey is not chasing the hype. Rimsey is not following nobody lane. Him just in them lane and do him thing, bro. Big up yourself, my G.
Do the maths, drinking tea in the Fendi cap. See you at the top, my nigga Fredo bang. Chicks wanna roll with rims. I bought foodie to cling. Still remember when my phone didn't ring. Remember, wouldn't be here without the fiends. Grub stretching limousine. Went from D&G to Celine. Just served the smoker. Gotta make Toba. Never had an order, only men in my revolver. I was 7.
Yo! Isn't it nice to be back? It's nice to be back, man. It's nice to be back, man. That is it now.
Without the fiends, grub stretching limousine. Went from D&G to Celine. Just served the smoker. Gotta make Toba. Never had an order, only men in my revolver. I was 17 with a 17. I seen so much shit, I need therapy. Probably.
I'm 17 with a 17. Him see so much shit, he need therapy. To some people, yeah, but not to Rimsey. Rimsey fine. To the average person, when I gonna need therapy after some of the shit that him say.
I was 17 with a 17. I seen so much shit, I need therapy. Probably. My brother, I was really front line when it was cooking. Me and E, we really bleached out in bushes. Trying to turn a boy off for that Virgil. I don't see no heroes when I circle. When it comes to glides, I'm in a top form. Had to be in Dodge corn, you know we unruly like popcorn. From what doors to fucking bitches on top floors. Now they bring me champ to the shop floor. Guys, I'm in a top form. Had to be in Dodge corn, you know we unruly like popcorn. From what doors to fucking bitches on top floors. Now they bring me champ to the shop floor.
Oh, they stirred up on the scene. Yo, Rimsey just different, brother. Rimsey in a one space by himself, dog. Like, this is my lane, I own this. I don't want none of over yourself. My J, big up yourself, my fam. I know you've been waiting for this reaction. Big up yourself. It's a next banger, brother. Like, the Rimsey, you can't put a foot wrong, brother. You don't miss, brother. You don't miss, dog. Any shot where you fire, you don't miss, brother. That is it now. Guys, it's so nice to be back. It's so nice to be back. Yo, this time I'm gonna leave that one at it. If you enjoy that one and I want to see more, if you're not subscribed yet, just do the right thing, brother. Just subscribe. It's free, dog. It not costing nothing. It's free. Just subscribe. You see me? Like the video. Drop a like on the video. You see me? Yeah, man. So this is how I'm gonna leave that one, yeah? See you guys soon. Peace.